Ever feel trapped? Trapped like a rat. We came up here for a little wonderful family time, and look what happened. Feet and feet of snow. Ever felt trapped in our lives? In the aspects that we live in with God, with society. We think we have our freedom. We have our freedom of choice. We have this, that, and the other. But the truth is, when God says something's going to happen, it doesn't matter how we have fought to make our way the most important way, because it's going to happen. And we may, as human beings, feel trapped. And maybe we don't have the freedom that we thought we would. But the reality is, well, what I try to do in a situation like this, and I pray you do too, is to make the best of the moment. There's not a lot of options sometimes when you literally can't get down the mountain. Okay, there's our car over there, and we still got to dig our way out, but maybe we can get down this driveway, but the roads are still closed. We're not getting home. I feel trapped. But God said, you know what? It needs to snow, and it doesn't need to just snow a little bit. It needs to snow a lot. So you guys just got to chill. You got to put your brakes on, take a minute, and let it snow. You ever felt trapped in a beautiful place in our lives, in our minds? It doesn't matter how much control we think we have over our lives. The situation can change in a moment should God decide it does. So, as much a control freak as I am sometimes, there are times when we just got to throw up our hands and let God's will and work occur. It's just a lot more freeing. Maybe you're feeling trapped today, but just know God's plan is usually better than ours.